Hello friends, so this time I will show you how to make our learner's report card easier and faster using the Microsoft Excel and the publisher. So what you need to prepare first is the template of your learner's report card in the publisher and the database in the Microsoft Excel, which is based on the data needed here in the learner's report card. Here I have the publisher with the template of learner's report card, and I have already prepared my SF9 database here in the Microsoft Excel already. So now we'll go directly to the mailings here. Click the mailings here, right here, and then mail merge. Then select recipient. We will use an existing list, the database that we made. So we'll find our database. So make sure that you know where you save it. So I save it in the desktop. And then SF copy. Right here. SF copy. Then SF9 database. Open. Click open and wait for it to reflect here, and then okay. Okay, here's our mail merge recipient. So click OK. Then we'll click on mailings again, and then we will click insert merge field. So we will insert the datas one by one. We'll start with the name. There you go. The name. We'll fix it here in the name. So that we can easily type or line type square. Okay, just click none. Birth date. Okay. It's automatic. That was my name. It's fine. Bold. Get bigger. then the LRN. LRN. There you go. Last two, just go ahead. There you go, it's done. It's ready for printing. Right there, automatically all the datas of your learners. So mine is 38, so all the datas is automatically followed by that one. You already enter the data in one for one pupil, and it will automatically enter all the datas. Even 1000, or and it's infinite. It's all that it depends on your data. You can select or print all. For example, we'll print only one, just a sample. You can select report 1. Okay, print. There you go, it's printing. There you go. That's how fast and easy, even if you have 100 students, so it's easy to print their report report card. You don't need to enter the data one by one. You just need to use the publisher and Microsoft Excel. Then it will be easier and less error because you'll just copy the LRN from your SF1 into your database and paste it there, so it's free from errors because you just copy it. And the data, all the data, the names, will be free from error. So that's all. I hope this one will help you. God bless.